owe you. Making me smile. You got me tossing and turning, can't look back now.
Okay. You know what I can't understand, Chris, is that I know you're kind of person outside the academy. I know, I've met girls like you because you can make life difficult for men. Ikaw yung tipo na, you're one tough girl Kaya mo paglaruan ng lalaki Pag yung, kaya mo, hindi ikaw yung tipo paglalaruan ng lalaki. Hindi ka maloloko ng lalaki. Di ba?
Yes.
See? But I don't see it when you perform. I don't see it when you perform. You're not focused enough. Kilala ko yung personalidad mo Ikaw yung pagkagagugugol ang lalaki sa'yo, kaya mong paglaruan Pero hindi ko nakikita yun. Kasi kulang ka. Okay? You need a lot of that when you start singing It's Raining Men. You need a fucking lot of that to carry that off. Okay? Can I see that tatlong itlog?
Simon, the tree boy.
Sino una magpe-perform? Okay, alphabetical order. Okay, Bugoy, Hansen, then Vance. Okay?
Alphabetical order.
Okay? Sige, rehearse muna kayong paharap and then...
SOS yung nag-play.
So everyone's going to.
Yes, everyone's gonna do it.
Who's first?
Because you need it for It's Raining Men. And I heard what you're going to be doing.
I'm wet.
Boom! Hindi ba? And then you're going to be stripping people, hindi ba? So talagang, I need that, I need that dominatrix. Woman with balls. Ano yung kakantahin mo? Okay. Britney Spears version?
Hindi po. Pero sexy pa rin. Kasi yung kay Britney, super baba.
Next Michelle, Larnie, and Apollonia. You just have a lot of catching up to do, but you can do it.
Thank you po. Nice one!
Ang ganda nung kakantahin mo. Nakakaliw ako sa kakantahin mo sa sabag ko. Kaya mo yun, papaglaruan mo yun. Okay, ready? O, sige. You can rehearse one each before you present to me. Then, yung tatlong girls and then tatlong boys. Very tentative ka Yun ang nagiging advantage ang nangyari kay Bunny. Hindi na tentative ang galaw niya. Ikaw, tentative pa. Yung walang sense of decision yung mga galaw mo on stage. Sa girls, weakest ka ron. I'm telling you. Yung napaka-tentative na mga galaw mo.
Sobra po, ngayon po. Sobrang hindi ko talaga alam galaw ko.
Alam niyo mga anak, masanay na kanya yung mga sumasayaw na ganyan na kumakanta. Dahil pag naging trabaho niyo yan, nasa asap kayo, linggo-linggo yan ang gagawin ninyo. At sa katulad ng sinabi ni Sherwin, ituturo yan sa inyo Saturday afternoon, ipe-perform nyo live Sunday. So dapat sanay na kayo sa ganyang pagdurusa. Mabilis kayo. Tsaka tatanga-tanga kayo sa ganyan. Diyos ko ba isang pagkakamali nyo on stage dyan, pauwiin kayo ni Johnny Manahan. So, bilis kayo dapat. Alerto, focus.